guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going for a walk with the fam bam today.
Yo, what's up, guys? Today, we are going to go for a walk and go to the park. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell and subscribe.
Thank you, Papa. Shout out to my nephew. He knows what to say. He knows what to do.
Record.
Oh, yeah?
Yo, what's up, fellas? Today we're going hunting.
What are we hunting for?
The producers here. One of the most dangerous creatures of all the land.
Yes,
If it
mighty.
bites me, I'm gone.
That's a pirate. I just said a pirate sound.
Oh. Yeah. Maybe I sound like a drunk pirate underwater.
Oh, I was trying to sound like Crocodile Dundee.
Yo, see over there? That's a crocodile. If it bites me, I'm gone.
I got Crocs. There's the crocodiles.
Why do you have their children on your feet? What gay? I'm gonna go pet it.
Yeah, I should have put that on the vlog.
What?
You trying to put her in there? You do monkey bars, Riz? Wow. Oh, look, Mom, no hands. Just kidding.
There you go.
Climb up, Riz.
Use your feet. Use your feet. Get up there.
She sees the swings. She knows where she wants to go. This is her favorite. Come on, Rubies.
Hold on.
Ready?
Ready to fly?
Woohoo! Boo! Okay, guys, so we're gonna all do our own impersonations of tour guides. So we're gonna pretend we're in like a jungle. And so who wants to go first?
I volunteer. Oh, crikey. I can't believe you're here today.
I'm here, Mike.
I'm wearing shorts. And today, some indigenous animals. Oh, look over there.
Let the vlog know where we're at, mate.
We're
Are we in the jungle?
in the jungle.
Okay, what's the first animal we're gonna see?
We're about to see a wallaby right here. No, we have a mummy right here.
A wallaby? Is this it? She's almost going extinct.
You see the mama wallaby right here with her little grand wallaby. This animal's going extinct in 4 years. In 100 years, she's gonna outlive us all. Wait, I thought we were British.
I think I see a huge ostrich, Mike.
Oh my goodness, and it flies.
It flies and it swims.
It's a peninsula. One of the most
It flies and it dives and it swims, Mike.
It's a peninsula.
I think I spot a camel. A two double-headed camel.
You say,
So,
oh,
Oh, you bumped into the mama wallaby.
Oh no, I bumped into the mama wallaby. Just wait till her defense mode kicks in.
Oh, Tiffany.
Don't put me in your vlog, Tiffany.
It's a point neutral right there. One of the most dangerous animals in all of the world.
Oh my goodness, they're about to fuse together.
It's a secret minefield. I'm gonna go pet it.
It's all secret minefield.
I'm gonna go pet it. Oh, and also the dinosaur.
Jurassic Park.
You have just entered the
Guys.
world of Jurassic.
Guys, it's a dinosaur.
Are you gonna go park your
Guys, it's a dinosaur.
Let's go look at the dinosaur.
It's the
Is this a
dinosaur.
long-necked dinosaur?
No,
It's a Bronchiosaurus.
Bronchiosaurus.
it's a don't get too close.
Dinosaurs.
Oh, look at the little baby.
Yeah. Be careful.
So let's have he's angry.
That's the mama and daddy T-Rex with the little babies. Little baby T-Rexes.
There's another one.
Yeah, do you see him bobbing that neck? He's ready to attack. River, you see the little babies?
Oh my God! Today,
It's like, don't tempt me, brother. Don't tempt me.
camera.
brother.
I'm gonna teach you how to survive in any encounter.
Ooh, he said.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Back up.
Look, come back like, what? And they what? They beak hard?
Their beak is hard. Ooh. He's warning you.
He's all stiff
Don't do it,
back.
Noah.
Mom's like, no thanks. Well, you guys, we got scared. We are not gonna walk through them.
I'm gonna teach you how to walk.
I'm waiting to see if he'll attack one of the others. Oh. Maybe not attack, but definitely chase them off.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
I'm wondering if any.
We're not brave enough. Let's see if anybody else is brave enough to walk through them.
I don't know.
She's the duck whisperer.
Quack.
Oh, they're talking back though. She just booty bumped me. Anissa, booty bumper cart.
Stu Graff.
Ooh, The Maze looks like a good book.
Murder at the murder. At the.
Murder at the Murder.
What was it? Murder at the murder. I don't know.
We're book shopping, guys. Also, thank you to the community for contributing to books to this little library because there's a lot, actually. So that's pretty dope.
Noah, maybe you should read the Harry Potter book so you can start practicing on your reading.
I say
That'd be
I
pretty
don't
cool.
read. Wait, what's the movie? Oh my God, this chicken soul.
I love chicken soup for soul. How, Anissa?
Guys, this is how you.
Okay, okay, Jessica, act like a giraffe.
Guys, this is one right there.
Okay, Jessica, act like a giraffe.
Oh, no. No, like this. Ready?
No. I'm not a giraffe.
Okay, I need to act like a seal.
Here, you take it.
No, act like a dolphin.
Oh, look at the white one.
That's so looking amazing. Oh my
So
God.
beautiful.
Kung Fu Panda, the peacock. Guys, look.
All right, you guys, we are entering the gates of Jurassic Park. These are where all the man-made dinosaurs are.
Go on.
Look at this huge man-made pterodactyl.
One.
The most rarest of them all. All right, you guys. Well, we're gonna end the vlog right there. Hope you enjoyed it. A day at the park with the fam bam. Say bye to the vlog, guys.
Bye. Don't forget.
Just say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
Peace easy. Say bye. Say bye, Rose. And Mama Wallaby does not wish to be shown. That was given by Jessica, not me.
Oh, what?
Mama Wallaby.
The mama wallaby.
Mom, say bye just by your voice. I'm not recording you. She's off.